Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Girl in the Lake. Celeste knows she should be excited to spend 2 weeks at her grandparents' lake house with her brother Owen and their cousins Capri and Daisy, but she's not. Bugs, bad cell reception, and the dark waters of the lake, no thanks. On top of that, she just failed her swim test and hates being in the water. It's terrifying. But her grandparents are strong believers in their family knowing how to swim, especially having grown up during a time of segregation at public pools. And soon, strange things start happening. The sound of footsteps overhead late at night, a flickering light in the attic window, and Celeste's cousins start accusing her of pranking them when she's been nowhere near them. Things at the old house only get spookier until one evening when Celeste looks in the steamy mirror after a shower and sees her face, but twisted and different. Who's the girl in the mirror, and what does she want? This book was written by the same author as our young Hoosier book, The Forgotten Girl, and it would be a great read if you loved small spaces and like edge of your seat, spine-tingling ghost stories. The next book is Look Both Ways. From the amazing author Jason Reynolds, who wrote Ghost, comes this novel told in 10 blocks, showing all the different directions kids' walks home can take. This story was going to begin like all the best stories, with a school bus falling from the sky. But no one saw it happen. They were all too busy. Too busy talking about boogers and stealing pocket change, talking about skateboarding, wiping out and braving up, executing complicated handshakes and planning escapes. These kids were busy making jokes, finding comfort in each other, and mostly being entrenched in their walk home from school. This book contains 10 stories, 1 per block, about what happens after the dismissal bell rings, and brilliantly weaves them together into one wickedly funny look at the detours we face on the walk home and in life. This is one of our young Hoosier books for the year. If you're looking for a comical read, this may be a great pick for you. The last book I'll tell you about is Love and Gelato. A summer in Italy turns into a road trip and this story filled with romance, mystery, and adventure. Lena is spending the summer in Tuscany, but she isn't in the mood for Italy's famous sunshine and fairy tale landscape. She's only there because it was her mother's dying wish that she get to know her father. But what kind of father isn't around for 16 years? All Lena wants to do is get back home. But then Lena is given a journal that her mom had kept when she lived in Italy. Suddenly, Lena's uncovering a magical world of secret romances, art, and hidden bakeries. A world that inspires Lena, along with the ever-so-charming Wren, to follow in her mother's footsteps and unearth a secret that has been kept far too long. It's a secret that will change everything Lena knew about her mother, her father, and even herself. If you're looking for a romance read for Valentine's Day, this young Hoosier book may be the book for you. If you're interested in any of these books, they will be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy and have a great day!